What is good with the YouTube? It is your boy, Sean Rock to the represent Mandatory Thrive, HGBM, because every day it is mandatory for us to thrive, and I'm back again with another video. But before we jump into this video, you already know, I'm going to ask y'all to head over to Amazon.com, purchase my first published book, you get nothing less than $300 from the basement, mind, body, and soul. Link is in the description. Also, if you haven't already, download my free mixtape. It's called Rap Diary. And you can also check out the video to one of the songs on my mixtape, which is called Clutch. It is on my channel right now. Check it out. As well, if you need any type of calisthenics, fitness-based programs, hit your boy in the email. Whether your goal is fat loss, whether your goal is to build strength, whether your goal is to put on some muscle mass, whatever it is, man, get with your boy. We can get it together. Link will be in the description. But today's video will be a personal development video. And I want to talk about doing the hard things when nobody's looking. Right? That's what builds ultimate strength. That's what keeps motivation. That's what makes you disciplined beyond no other. Here's an example from my life. I like going into gyms, right? Why do I like going into gyms? Number one, the gym has one goal. Like, you're there, you're supposed to be there to work out. Like, that's why you're supposed to be there. You're not supposed to be there for no other reason. So you're supposed to be there to work out. So when you get there, you're gonna look crazy if you're not working out. Number two, if you struggle with seeking attention, it's a great space to be, because you'll get a lot of attention when you go into the gym. And if you can work out in a crazy way, like how I work out, you get a lot of attention. Right? Number three, it's the like safest, most convenient, easiest place to work out, right? Like, everything's comfortable, the lights are beautiful, there's coffee going, like there's beautiful people, there's so much going on. But for me to become the best version of myself, all of those things make me weaker. Here's why. For me, not for you, for me. Working out in a dark room where nobody's there to see, right? No one's looking. There's no cameras. There's no people. There's no, like, you're looking crazy if you taking breaks or whatever. It's just you. Or working out in a park where it's like cold, or it's raining, or it's like beaming hot, and there's, once again, nobody's paying attention to you. So you can cheat, you can be lazy, you can do all these different things. My greatest gains, my greatest transformation, my greatest character building came when I did it when nobody knew what I was doing. Because not only did it show what I wanted and what I needed to do to get what I wanted, it also showed my flaws. Because it's not a show. I'm not getting no clout for it. No one's staring, no one's watching, no one's looking, no one's paying attention. So it's just me and my determination. That's it. Because who you are when nobody's looking is going to determine where you go in life. Who you are when the camera's cut off is going to determine where you go in life. Because that's who you're going to be. That's your real discipline. That's your real discipline. So when you wake up and you go, you know, perform a song or read your book or whatever it is that you do, when everybody's around, you have the fire. The fire is there. It's right there. And you're getting all the reward right there. But when nobody's around, and you don't got to put on the front, you don't got to put on facade, and you really got to be about what you're talking about and be about who you say you are, that's how you know who you really is. Because when nobody's looking, is you going to read that book? When nobody's looking, is you going to run that mile? When nobody's looking, is you going to overeat, overdrink, over this, over that, do this, do that, whatever it is that's taking you either further from your goal or closer to your goal. And one of the things that I know that I see about when I do things for the right reasons, whether they're in front of people or not in front of people, is that it's mine to keep. It's mine to keep. Because that clout, that attention, that being noticed, that doing stuff when the spotlight's on you, all that can be taken away from you in a second. It can all go away. You know what I'm talking about. Let me give you an example. There's a time in middle school where like I was like the top dog, like I was like the guy. You know, the girls liked me, the dudes want to hang with me. I was like one of the big dogs in the school, right? And that gave me a sense of like identity for a long time. He's like, Sean this, Sean that, Sean this, Sean that. And my identity and my sense of significance was wrapped up into that. And then this other kid comes, right? And he's like super handsome, super talented, and he's like charming and all these different things. And he's new, right? And everybody, you know, the new thing is the new thing. So everybody's like, yo, I'm not gonna put the kid name out there, but everybody's like, yo, whoa. And my whole world was crushed because I had wrapped up my significance and my identity in something that was not in my control. So I went downhill for a moment. But it made me stronger too, because it taught me that you gotta be who you're supposed to be all the time. You gotta be who you're supposed to be all the time. No matter what. You have to be the same person. And you have to have that identity in yourself internally. Because once you know who you are, 100%, nobody can take that away from you. No one can take it away from you. So go out there, change the world, do great things, but get that real discipline, get that real motivation, get that real determination. Dominate for real when nobody's looking. Because it ain't about that. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. That's all I got, y'all. Remember, dream big, work hard, live great, don't stop. It's your boy Sean Rock to them, signing out. Peace.